Good day, everyone. This is Vincent Tan speaking. Regarding the coming change to A2L refrigerant, Toso has selected R32. This time, I'm going to talk about R32 features and safety instructions. Meanwhile, I also provide the English subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. You can also click the link below to access the training material. This sharing divides into these four parts. Population attentions. Because the operating pressure are similar and the oil can be also the same as an oil, most juice can be shared between R14A and R32, which is from this table, most juice can be shared. And of course, they are not the same to the R22. It's quite old refrigerant. Here is the second page. Here are some heads up for the daily maintenance. For the maintenance inside the building, the keyword is to keep ventilation. And if it is on the outdoor unit, then we only require the ventilation if it is surrounded by the walls in a peak. And if there is an accidental release of the R32, just guarantee you would have enough ventilation and cut off the power immediately to avoid escalate and to evacuate from the room if it is inside. As for replacing the spare parts, first is please not modify or add any inductive or capacitance loads to the circuit. And the second is unless specified in form, please only replace the components authorized by TOSO. And the third is during evacuation and charging, not overcharge or overfill. And the second is we are not allowed to mix the other refrigerant. And the third is for the juice also should be exclusive for R32, not mixed with the other refrigerant. For this sharing, if you still have any question or concern, feel free to contact me on my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access TOSO library for the training material.